today we are going to do another modified bore, but today I'm thinking of my composition would be on the side. So what I'm going to do, because when we do modified bloom technique, we have to spin it and we have to spread it out. So if I offset my pattern, I am thinking, so if this is my center of the pattern, I have to make sure that this is where the center of the spinner is. So the problem is, how do I keep it that way? So what I did was I put a tile underneath. It's an old practice tile, and I am going to use a duct tape. So make an inside out loop where my sticky thing is outside, my glove is sticking. So now I have to, this is the center pretty much, so I am hitting my root panel as this is my center. So that way when I spin, this will be my center and it will not run off. Probably I should move my tile in a way that right now this wood panel will be centered. So if I move this way for now and I spin it, my paint should spread evenly on all sides. I apologize for the noise that my spinner is making. It's an old spinner. I bought it from Goodwill and it makes this noise, but it does the work, so I'm okay with that. The tile is very heavy and it's offset on the spinner, and that's why it's making even worse noise than it usually does. Anyway, so now let me center my I'm going to spread a little more paint on these sides because I want them to spread. Okay, now let's do some pattern here. I am going to use my magnificent violet / lilac color. And maybe one here. And the other one here. Now let's use this wine rose color. some gold. As I am pouring my paints, you guys can see that for modified bloom technique, your paint consistency has to be a little bit thicker than usual. I'm running low on gold. I have to mix some more, but the amount I have, I think I can get by for this one. Now is the time for cell activator. Which is mustard on black. And after I torch, time to blow. Now let's look at the composition. I think we can put something here. It's kind of looks empty, so let's fill up these areas with green. I feel like, as we can never have too much green. Now I am adding a little tiny dot of cell activator on one side of the green. So if I blow the cell activator, I'm making sure my green is underneath the mesh of the cell activator. They will look like little leaves for us to blow. Now that I'm done with blowing, you can see all my shapes, and all those green dots that I put on later on, they look like kind of leaves. I blew the cell activator in a way that they give us the mimic of leaves. And now I am just modifying my pour. As you can see, my paint is little thicker than usual. I just want to emphasize on that one when I modify, because otherwise I will lose this shape dearly. Okay. It looks so pretty. Okay. So this is a new thing I'm trying. I'm dipping my skewer in my green paint, and I am trying to draw some stem kind of thing. I'm not sure how good they look. Probably I need to work on them a little more, but this is just the beginning. I thought, oh, why shouldn't I try some? It's so beautiful. I don't even want to do anything with this. Like, you know what? I will let it stay like this. I'm not going to mess around because it's too pretty to mess around. Oh my god, shukr alhamdulillah, it's like